Click the gear icon in the bottom left to open up settings, and then click into VPN settings. The first one I would turn on is Auto Connect. That way Surfshark will connect on its own whenever you join a network, and you'll never be sitting unprotected. At the top, you can also change your Quick Connect preference. I'm in the US, so I'll choose US as the fastest location. Below Quick Connect and Auto Connect, you'll find the bypasser. This is also called split tunneling, and it lets you pick certain apps or sites to skip the VPN, like a banking app that doesn't play nicely with it. You can add any website or any app here. Below the bypasser setting, you'll find Clean Web. Turn that on, and to enable it, if you're already connected, you'll need to reconnect. Clean Web blocks ads and trackers when the VPN is connected, which makes your browsing cleaner and safer. Then you have the option to turn on the kill switch. This is currently in beta, but if your VPN connection ever drops, it cuts your internet for a moment so that your real IP address never slips out. Under protocol, you can leave this set to automatic. That lets Surfshark pick the fastest, most stable connection for you, and there's nothing more to change here. There are a few more advanced options below, like rotating IP, but you can leave those alone for now. There's one last one, and it's in a different spot. So go back, and then open App Settings. Here, make sure the Launch app on startup is toggled on. That way Surfshark is ready the moment that you turn on your computer. And that covers the major settings that matter. And if you've only been following along so far and haven't signed up yet, remember to use the first link in the description to get the best available deal on Surfshark.